Hey guys, welcome back to Send Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about how low BTC is going to be dropping and what is the best price area to be buying BTC, right? So just to answer that question before we basically talk about the analysis, we can we can just say like anything below 5K is a strong buy. Why anything below 5K? As you can see, right in front of you, we talked about it a couple of months ago about the Bitcoin long-term trend line. So I'm just giving you a quick update. That time BTC was like above like a 76, okay, something like that, right? So and you can see, like we said exactly, if BTC goes in this red box, it is not a good buy. Okay, it is not time to be long in BTC within this range. Anything above 10.5 or 10K, don't long it. Okay, I know it's a 20%. It is a 20% increment, but the best time to be buying BTC, it is going to be at or below this red line right there. Okay, this red line. What is this red line? This trend line, it is like the low from July 2018, right? And July 2017, excuse me, and the low of basically December 2018. That's the line you need to be paying attention. Okay, so we basically dip down below it, and anything within this blue area, it is going to be a strong buy. Okay, it's going to be a high volatility area, and price can dip like down 30-40% in like a week or so. So it is not time to be basically panicking, at least for the short term. And if the volatility is enough, we can dip down like within this range of basically low 2K. Okay, low 2K could be the possible area, of basically the possible area we could be finding like BTC bottoming if the sell-off is fast enough. Okay, if the sell-off is fast enough. So let's keep that in mind. If like we get this support, I'm saying that anything below 5K is the good buy. We could even get another support from this trend line, pump back up to this red line right there, which is like just about like a 75 to 8K, depending how fast we're gonna go. If like we go very fast back up to this area, could be like a 10.5 again, right? So but it all depends. But best area to be selling, be buying is like right there in this blue box. Okay, so at least for the short term, we talked about this a couple of months ago. So let's take a look at it in terms of basically of Elliott wave. So in terms of Elliott wave, we basically said exactly for the macro scale, right? Let's take a look at it on the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, we said exactly we're looking for BTC to basically retest just about a 50% pullback, right? For those of you guys, for those of you guys who are pretty much familiar with my channel, I've been looking for this 0.618, which is like just about like a 1700, 1850, but we might not hit it exactly like 1850, 1750 range. It could be a week. Okay, it could be a week. I'm not expecting it to. I'm not expecting BTC to retest 1800 this week or next week or something like that, right? But at some point in the near future, we could retest it because we can still drop back down, right? Just about like a 24, go back up, right? Retest like a 7 to 8K, or even like break it depending on market volatility and structure, and still drop back down to 0.618. Let's keep that in mind. So even if we drop down to 1800, it is still a good buy. Even though I'm saying like 22 could be the trend line support, we can break that trend line just like we broke that the trend line I just showed you, that red trend line from like July 2017 going through the bottom of basically 3K. The trend line, we can break it week below it, because 1800 and 2400 is not a big deal, right? Just like BTC basically break 4K, 5K and drop all the way down to 3700. That's just a 20 to 30% drop. So we can definitely get a wick down this area, but at the same time, we're still going to be looking for another move to the upside. So basically, I'm not that extremely bearish after this move. Yes, we're still in a bear market, right? Overall trend, I'm still bearish, but for the medium term, okay, we're still gonna be looking for another move to the upside. We're still going to be looking for another move to the upside, and this move, if we follow this trend line, we might not break it, right? we could just follow this trend line, but if we break it, it is still going to be part of the structure, and we could be looking for another drop after that. So that's one of the reasons I'm saying the bear market could last for another basically 2 years, because that's a macro scale. So it really doesn't matter what BTC is going to be doing within the next few days, even like the next 3 to 5, 10 weeks, right? It really doesn't matter. This is like a 6 to basically a 6 to 18, 20, 24 month time frame, right? So you just got to keep that in mind. If you're looking for like the macro scale, anything below 5k is, you know, basically it is a very, very, very strong buy. It is not time to panic. It is not time to say, oh, I told you BTC is going to be dropping and all that good stuff, right? It is time to basically stay focused, right? And take a look at the big picture, and basically try to get a you know, long-term forecast, and basically stay calm and not be panicking, at least for the short term. So we about to enter a nice buy zone, you know, 5k to you know, 2k, 3k area. It's gonna be very volatile. It's gonna be very quick. So just be patient for the next moon boy festivity, right? So all right guys, if you enjoy the content, make sure to basically subscribe to the channel. Make sure basically to at the same time join my public Telegram group, link in the description. I also got a premium member. Send me a message if you want to join our premium member for these daily analysis, price target, price setup, entry, exit, and also like Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple XRP, and all of these are good you know, top alt, right? All right guys, thanks a lot for watching.